Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello kids, welcome to English Learning with Miss Ida. Hope that all of you are okay today. In this video, we are going to talk about demonstrative pronouns. What? Don't worry, it is easy. I'm going to show you. Let's start. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. These pronouns can indicate things in singular or plural. We have 4 demonstrative pronouns: this and that in singular. These and those are plural. Demonstrative pronouns can be either near or far in distance or time. Near in time or distance, we use this and this. Pay attention to the pronunciation between this and this. Repeat after me. This, 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 this. Far in time or distant, we use that and those. Repeat after me. That, that, those, those. Okay, now we are going to learn this and that. This and that are demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point at things, to indicate things, to show things. What's this? This. I'm pointing. I'm showing you a cell phone. This is a cell phone. What's that? That. I'm pointing. I'm showing you a clock. That is a clock. Okay, miss. So, what's the difference? Great question. Let me tell you. They are both demonstrative pronouns and they are both in singular. The difference is when I'm showing, pointing, indicating, describing things that are near me, that are close to me, I have to use this. But if the object that I'm pointing, I'm showing is far distance, I have to use that. Let's see some examples. What's this? This is a bed, or it is a bed. What's this? This is a blanket, or it is a blanket. What's that? That is a fan, or it is a fan. What's that? That is a computer, or it is a computer. If we are answering a question, we don't need to repeat the pronoun this or that. We can use it. Next, let's talk about plural. These and those. These are pens. Those are books. In the plural form, we can use this and that. We have to use the plural form of this and that. The plural form of this is this, and the plural form of that is those. What are these? These are bolsters, or they are bolsters. What are those? Those are pictures, or they are pictures. Now, let's compare the use of demonstrative pronouns. That is my house. It is big and light blue. Let's go there. This is a cat here. It is my favorite animal. These are markers. 1, 2, 3, 4 markers. They are colorful. Those are my clothes. Look, they are in my closet over there. Here shows that the things are near. There or over there means that the things is far. That's the lesson you get today. We talk about demonstrative pronouns and how to use them to point, to show, to indicate things. We can ask questions with them. What's this? What's that? We can also ask in the plural. What are these? What are those? And we can answer with pronouns. Thanks for your attention. I hope you enjoy it. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and be kind. See you next time. Keep on learning English and make grammar is fun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.